Porsche Carrera. I would love to have one of these, even in this state. We got a whole litany of old school Norton motorcycles in here. Some Suzuki, some Hondas. Oh yeah, you guys know that I ride a Hayabusa. This is a nice collection. Hoskins, you're gonna love this one. These are the type of bikes the originators rode on. 75 torn, I really like this one. But let's get to this buddy right here. This is Bobby Rahall's car. Imported from Livonia. David Nicholas. You always wonder about how the ventilation goes inside one of these things. I wish there wasn't any music playing. This is like my favorite right now. I was told this is the first Jaguar that was brought into Michigan. Of course, this one is under